What's happening, guys? Today I'm going to show you a super simple, super easy, but kick-ass linear fill. Let's get started. Okay, so welcome in. Thank you for joining me today. I'm going to show you a really simple linear fill, and I'm going to leave it up to you guys to take it, expand upon it, build it, push it, orchestrate it, try it in different tempos, maybe some different subdivisions, and see how you get on. So the fill itself is 8 notes long. It's going to be 16th notes, 1 E and a, 2 E and a. It's going to start with 2 kick drums, then a right, left, then kick, right, left, kick. That is it. From there, you guys need to take it, expand upon it, try some different orchestrations, start it in different places in the bar, try it in a groove context, potentially in a heavier context, something lighter, all these stuff that I've showed you before. So now let me demonstrate that. I'll do it with a 1.5 bar groove, because it's a half bar fill. And each time I'll just try to orchestrate it. I'll try to use only the toms, limit myself to see how creative I can get. Take that lesson, guys. Take the fill, build it, play it faster, play it slower, play it slower, try it in different contexts, over top of some music. So if you guys dug this lesson, please take it, expand it, chuck it into some videos, tag me in the videos, that'd be awesome. Hit subscribe if you'd like this lesson, and I will see you guys next week.